Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and today I am going to be showing you how to make a living out of the stock market using these simple filters on Finvis. Okay, so how you can actually make a living out of it? First of all, like you cannot just watch this video and know how to make a living out of the stock market because I am just going to be showing you a filter. I'm going to be showing you a couple of filters that can be used to find absolutely killer trades on the stock market. So if you're interested in that, make sure to stick till right around the end, and let's just get straight into it. First of all, what you want to do is go on finviz.com. Then what you want to do is go on the screener, okay, because I'm going to be showing you a screener. So go ahead, do that. And right here, this is what you're going to be left with. And I will be showing you for example, I will be showing you the industry, and through every single thing that we go, I will be explaining you why am I uh, like clicking that filter. You feel me? So yeah, the first thing that I want to do is go ahead and like start with the technicals. Okay, why with the technicals? Because I want stocks for first of all. Let's just start with the 200-day simple moving average, and that will basically like indicate me that the stock is in an uptrend. So what do I like to do is for the 200 day simple moving average, and what does that even mean? So it basically tells me what is the average of the last 200 days closing prices, and it can roughly indicate me what is the trend. Okay, so if the price is above the 200-day simple moving average, it can tell me that the price is in an uptrend. So here, what we want to feel will be that the price is above the SMA 200. Okay, just like that. With the 50-day simple moving average, again, the average closing price of the last 50 days. So what we want to feel right here will be again the price to be above SMA 50. And the last will be the same thing with the 20-day simple moving average. The price to be above the 20-day simple moving average. And that will kind of tell me that here we have like 2,135 stocks that are in a great bullish trend. This is what we like to see. These stocks are all bullish. Okay, these are all 2,135 stocks. Now, these are not all. This number is not like stocks only. Okay, so what we want to feel right here is going all and going on the industry. So for on the industry, what I like to do is just go on stocks only. Okay, I don't want to trade like mutual funds or stuff like that. And if I want to trade mutual funds, I think that like basically mutual funds are for a long-term investment. So I don't know what are you even watching this video, but as you can see, it cut down the number to right around 1,317 stocks, and that's what we are left with. And what I like to do is only trade U.S. stocks. And why is that? I like to trade US stocks because that's like they're the best. I love how they move. I don't want to trade like Chinese stocks or like foreign stocks in the Europe stock. No, I only want to trade US stocks because they're the most volatile. I really love them. Not it does not have to do anything with the volatility, but I just like how they move, and I have the economy of the US markets. So that's why I only trade US stocks, and I only invest into US stocks. I know I'm investing in like some Chinese stocks, but this is where like when I started investing. So, and I personally think that the stocks can like really push to the upside, but I only trade US stocks. So, what we want to do from here on is go and yeah, let's just go the IPO date. What does IPO date mean? IPO date is the date when the company had an IPO. What does an IPO mean? IPO meaning, okay? Initial public offering. So initial public offering, an initial public offering or stock launches in a public offering in which shares of a company are sold to institutional investors and usually also retail investors. An IPO is typically underwritten by one or more investment banks, who also arranged for for the shares to be listed on one or more stock exchanges. So you want a stock to be in the game for like in the last like 3 years or so. You can basically go in the last like 5 years, but as you see right now, we are left with only 280 stocks. So the next thing that we want to fill is the average volume. Okay, the average volume, or basically tells us the average number of shares trading back and forth in a secretary per day. So as you see, the average number of shares traded in a security per day. And what we want to feel right here, like we really want the liquid stocks. And with that, I mean the volatile stocks, okay? And with that said, We want it to be over 500k. I not under but over. Okay, over. This is a mistake. Over 500 or 750k. Just about that. The next thing that I really want to feel will be I sometimes use the RSI. Okay, and I go and click on overbought. Okay, overbought 90. No, I sometimes go overbought 60 because like there's the amount of like stock that where when we're gonna find. We like as you can see we cannot find overbought 90, but I will not use the RSI at the moment. So the next thing that we are gonna be filling will be actually yeah actually the change from the open. We want like to either for it like either it be up because I'm always like I really want the stocks like from like when they're open for them to be up. So as you see right now we're left with only 39 stocks. Change from the open the difference between today's open price and today's last price. So yeah, this is like these are stocks from Friday. Today we're Sunday, so I hope that you understand like what I'm trying to say. Right now, the next thing that I really want to do is show you the sales growth over quarter. Okay, sales growth quarter over quarter, and what I like for it to be over 30%. And as you see, we are like significantly cut the number like a third, and right now we're left with 21 stocks. And why that? Basically, the growth for the company, like in the last like 3 months, was 30%. So, like, I know that this stock like does perform well, and I do not need to listen to anybody. And you could also like go right here and where is it? Um, yeah, like analyst like recommendation, you could basically go on strong buy. Yeah, you will not be left with like normal one stocks, buy or better. You will be left with 16 stocks, so you can basically go and do that. But I don't want the recommendation from the like analysts, so I just go with any. And the last thing that I really want to feel will be the float. Okay, the float short. What does that mean? The float short is the amount of short selling like transactions or of a given stock over five or yeah, let's just go with over 5%. Okay, and the last thing that I'm gonna do will be the the relative volume or the R volume. I want this to be over 1.5 or yeah, just over one. It is always like what you want to do, but let's just go with 1.5. And right now we're like you can basically go and screenshot this, and you can basically go on charts. We're left with only like five stocks. As you can see, we're left with these five stocks. You can basically go trade them. But if you want to have more stocks, like what I sometimes want to do is go right here and go on any. And as you can see right now, this is a ad, and we're going to be left with 12 stocks. So you can go ahead and maybe kind of trade with these stocks. As you can see, they're in a pennant. And this could be like a possible trade. So this is how you can make a living out of it. A great filter. I don't want you to take me wrong. This is not a financial advice or something like that. This is just a filter that you can probably like use, and you could probably like work for you because it has been working for me, and like that will be about it for today, guys. So peace out. Have a great day for the rest of your day, and bye.